Hey guys, Dr. Rodney White here with Sarpy Chiropractic. Today we're finally doing a video that we've been asked for weeks and weeks to do by a lot of patients that come in here and a lot of people that watch our content, and we figured we really need to show this even though it's very simple. And it's how to bend down to pick something up off the ground properly. And I know for anyone who doesn't suffer from back pain, that seems like a ridiculous thing to worry about. But easily the most common thing that brings people in to see us is they bend to pick up something that's not heavy. Maybe they drop a pen on the ground, a baby's toy, some clothes, and as they come back up, uh-oh, there it is. And now they come into our office walking like this. So why does that happen? When you bend at the waist, your back is in the weakest possible position. So this is when the most injuries occur. Now, when you're lifting something heavy, you're ready for it, you usually use your legs, you brace your stomach, and people rarely come in here throwing their back out from helping someone move something like a fridge. It's almost always the simple, all I did was syndrome. So, if you can't just bend down like this, how should you do it? There's a couple of different ways. Ideally, and not everyone can do this because a lot of you have knee or hip issues, the best way is to squat down. Use your knees, use the power of your legs and come back up. For anyone who doesn't feel like they have that kind of power, a really simple exercise you can do that will increase that strength is a wall squat. Lean against the wall, sink your knees down and just try and hold that position for even start at 5 seconds, especially the more elderly aged people. When you can start doing that for 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's also going to give you the added benefit of you're less likely to fall because your legs are stronger. But I digress. So if you cannot bend, squat to pick things up off the ground, the next best is what we call a golfer's lift. You watch most golfers have one leg up in the air when they bend down to pick up the ball. Even better is when you can hold on to something. You'll see my arm here on the table. If I bend like this, I'm not actually bending at my waist, my back is staying reasonably straight. Now, if you don't have something like that, you better have some pretty good balance. Again, then if you can't do that, you go back to your wall squat. But that's by far the best two ways. Or you can even hold onto something and go into a half squat if that's all your knees allow. The whole aim is just make sure that you're bending as little or not at all as you can from the waist. And that alone will cut out half the flare-ups of back pain you get. So please guys, share this one. I know it's going to be valuable for a lot of people. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, have a great day.